Sorry I haven't been vlogging much. Today is a big day. There were trees here. I'm a tree killer. I hate trees. Just kidding, I like trees. But we're building an addition, so we have to take them off because we can't build an addition over trees. We're putting about 100 yards of dirt back here and making a backyard too. Would you come over here and help me for free because I'm good looking?
Well, those last words has a problem. We've got a problem with that.
You're gonna make noise up and then they're gonna irritate our viewers.
Do you realize, Ross,
What?
how much time you're taking up here? This is $100 an hour.
I forgot to say happy birthday to Dozerman. He just turned 70, guys. So say happy birthday in the comments because he reads them. Trust me. Do you read the comments?
Comments? Oh yes, Ross. You know I do. Woo.
Dozerman, what are you doing?
I am bleeding.
You're bleeding.
Bleeding the fuel system.
Hey, our video got like 300,000 views. The craziest bulldozer man on the earth. Bulldozer man, you got like 300,000 people that seen you. Is this the behind the scenes that the stuff I don't see that you do, right?
Exactly. This is behind the scenes. What's costing you.
So not only do I have to pay per hourly, I got to pay for repairs on the old thing too. We have two old things here. Let's get it straight. And this right here is not a bulldozer. It's a loader.
Track loader.
It's a track loader. So I'm going to get it straight. This is a track loader, not a bulldozer. But this could be a bulldozer, right? Now he's going to get some dirt from the dirt piles and put it in the back. We need a backyard. This is going to be a workshop. This foundation for a big workshop. And if you're new to the channel, we're going to put an addition on this house. We built this house ourselves. It took us 2 years. We don't have a mortgage payment, which is nice. Leave it in the comments. I'll tell you how we did it. We're going to extend this out more. It stops right about here. We need to fill this with dirt. So I'm going to put a pipe, but he's going to have to take that tree out first, that big stump, and I can extend it out. The stump's in the way. That's got to go. I don't know how in the world that thing grew back. We're going to take a bunch of these pines out because our property goes about 30 feet in still. We got about 8 more trees in about 30 minutes and probably got about 10 yards of dirt over here. So 10 yards of dirt moved from over there to there, and we took out 8 trees in 30 minutes. It's not bad because what we do is we're getting smart now. When we pull a tree up, we're going back, we're going to get a bucket coming back. This way we're not empty-handed, you know what I mean? This is why it broke down. This is why you don't buy the stuff this big. You have someone do it for you. Because if this stuff happens, we don't have to deal with it. He has to deal with it. That's why you always, big stuff like this, I mean, if it's like a bobcat or something you can control, or, you know, it's just too big. It leaks like a sieve. Bulldozer man's too old. You know, he's already getting upset with me. Look at that. Every time we do this. What happened? This thing break again?
That's a funny thing.
Did your thing break again? It hurt stuttering. Price goes to 50 bucks an hour when she stutters. You better clock off before you shut that thing off. He's charging me for camera stuff. So you guys got to leave some comments so I make some good views in this video. Because he's charging me to run the camera. Oh, it's full again, Dozer man. Half an hour later, it's packed full of rust.
That's why they make us doctors for.
Yeah, but every half hour you got to stop this thing? What a pain in the butt.
Half hour?
Just take it off, run it dry. Run it wide open. No filter. Listen, I haven't been on a vacation. I'm going on vacation, by the way, but someone's staying here to watch the house, so we have security. But, did you ever see me on a vacation once? Do you take vacations?
Ross says every day's a holiday and every night's a Saturday night. I don't know if I agree with that or not, but as far as I'm concerned, let's take a vacation.
Well, wait a minute. No, how much is this a can? He's complaining. Listen, he's saying this is every squirt is $1.
You say he's a squirt.
No.
Ross ain't no squirt. Ross,
I'm taller than you.
Squirt.
Oh, guys, if you think, a lot of people are saying, well, Ross, you're losing a couple of pounds. Well, yeah, I lost a couple of pounds because I'm working my butt off. I'm not sitting in the couch like a millennial. I take that back. I like millennials. But I'm not sitting on the couch. I'm working, okay? This is a 7 years old Southern worker. He works every day. No matter what, he's always doing something. I mean, like 10 to 11 to 12 hours a day he's working.
Pay the bills.
Yeah, but you don't have any bills.
What bills? I do have bills. I got dollar bills right there in my pocket, boy. Ross, get out of that bucket. Don't overload it. Ross, you're overloading the bucket. Get out of the loader. Won't pick it up. You gain too much weight during the holidays. I'm working like a dog. What's Ross doing? Laying in the bucket, knowing I need to go to work.
Okay, guys, we're pretty much finished with the tree removal. Might take a couple little ones down, little pines. I just don't want them to get too big because then they shade the house. See all these right here? They shade the house and we have all mold here. So we're probably pretty much done. Maybe I'll just saw a couple down. But we're going to take all these stumps out of here. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 stumps right here. We're going to take all those out and make a road throughout here. So we can go all the way around the house. We can drive all the way around. We're going to make, not a road, but we're going to make it so we can take the pile from last year over there and take a bobcat and bring it all the way down. So, I can't drive this way because we got a septic tank for this house. We have 2 septic tanks. It's 1,000 gallon tank and the other 1,000 gallon tank is over there for another house. This RV pad wasn't here. We designed this and put this here 2 years ago. So this tank goes here for this house, and then we're putting an addition in this house and another house, not a house but a garage. We might put a bathroom in and a playroom. Big garage right there. And the whole foundation is going to be a huge garage.
Good night, peeps.
And don't lecture us about the trees.
Yeah, there are trees in our land.
Like us and share us. You know you'll find us funny.